they're backwards bent, and I really had to pull to get it out. Every time I always struggle with this back seat to pull out. I just pull on the back of it first and lift up, and then you have to yank on these to pull these up. All right, and then once you take these, they're just plastic little tabs. You just turn like a flathead, works easy, and that pops the cover off. And once you pop the cover off right there, this is how you get to your Hitachi fuel pump. And mine looks like it's got a little dust on it. It's all good. I forget, did I unhook? I remember the seal on this is always a bitch to make sure you don't like rip it, because it kind of gets old. Let's see here. Let's unhook. It's just annoying, so I'm gonna unhook it. There you go. All right, let's clean this up real quick. You know how I do. And here you have it. Now you can tell it's a Hitachi fuel pump, nice and cleaned up, because I just wipe it off, so when I pull it out, I'm not getting dirt into the tank. So looks like you're just gonna need a little small Phillips head, and it'll pop right off. So first, this is the actual fuel line that runs to the engine, is this. And I don't think I'm gonna pull it because it'll leak gas because it's pressurized. I'm just gonna pull this lid off and then just siphon the water out and then put good gas in it. You know, organized stocking, it's everywhere you go, dude. All right. There you go. Maybe, well, I guess if you remove this line, just gonna get a little bit of gas. No. Here. Let's see. Oh, the tape is stuck. Okay, yeah, you don't have to remove it. Actually, yeah, you're gonna have to remove it. Alright, so grab a rag because it's gonna leak a little bit of gas. Or water, I should say. So I guess I should remove it. So really all you do is you just push it in and then you pull it back. It'll slide off. So it leaked out some fluid here. So put a rag on it. I mean, it's definitely watery. It's still got a little gasoline content, obviously, but there's actually stuff in my tank, so it's kind of glad I did this. I could clean the sending unit. Hopefully that fixes the fuel gauge not reading right, because I'm not going to buy another sending unit. Let's see here. There's like a couple washers and stuff down in here, it looks like, too. Those spots where washers were. There's actually dirt over there, dude. No way. Let's just take a clean rag and wipe her out. Alright. Alright, the key is, I remember this. These bolts, when you put them in, like half a turn, as soon as they snug, done, or they strip. I remember I had this one stripped before, that's why I had this piece of tape here. This is the fuel pump put back in place, and this is the cover. So they only put a bottle of water. It couldn't have been like a whole bunch of water. But as you can tell, like, the reason I know is immediately my exhaust just starts spitting out water and the car dies. So it means it doesn't have fuel to burn, it's trying to burn water. So if this happens to you guys, or if there's somebody out there you hate their guts, get yourself some water, because it's real hard to tell the difference between water and gasoline. It looks, even as I was doing this, it looked pretty like gasoline, but it's diluted down enough that the car won't even burn it. So all you do is you take these little knobs right here and you just turn them, and then the cover's back on. There you go.